What's up, guys? I want to give you a quick Blackberry stock update. So Blackberry is the stock I entered a position in Thursday's session, and I'm still currently holding it. So I want to give you guys a quick update video. I know you guys are busy, you have things to do, whether you're watching the markets or things to do with work or school or watching your kids or whatever. So I'll give you guys a quick update on what I did and the reason why I entered a position in the Blackberry. Before I get into the video, guys, I remind you guys to grab your 2 free stocks over at Webull. They just extended the promotion until June 17th, so all you have to do is open a brokerage account and deposit at least $100, and you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. Okay, so here's the situation on Blackberry. So I found out about Blackberry. Obviously, I've held a position in AMC since February. You guys probably know that if you're subscribed to my channel. And I want to remind you guys, hey, if you're new to the channel, you like stocks, you like investing, whether it's investing in companies with long-term potential or meme stocks, whichever type, if you're into the stock market, be sure to subscribe to my channel by smashing the red subscribe button. So guys, as you can see here, there's a really great website. It's called unusualwhales.com, and they have a social tracker. So you just go to unusualwhales.com/socials, and you can find out this information, okay? So Blackberry was the most mentioned stock over the last 24 hours on Reddit with over 3,250 mentions. So I entered a position into Reddit yesterday. So I want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. So if you take a look here, the volume on Reddit, the volume on Blackberry is ridiculously high, okay? So yesterday's session, we had about almost over 500 million shares traded. And you can see the RSI is ticking up, okay? So one of the reasons I got in on this stock was simply because the volume was extremely high, and I was looking for an upside play, okay? So I actually got in a little bit too high. I got in at around $17.76, so I'm still down right now. But the good thing is, over the last 5 days, if you create a support line here, you can see an overall uptrend. So I'm still holding my position. I'm down a little bit, but I think we'll have a nice pop today. I'm going to explain to you guys why. So first of all, if we take a look at Ortex here, we can see that there are currently 35 million shares on loan, and the shorts just increased their short position yesterday. So now the current short interest is around 10%, so not as much as AMC, but I think there's still some potential here, okay, guys? There's still 35 million shares on loan, and there really just seems to be a lot of activity now. It looks like Blackberry could be the next AMC. So AMC is becoming a stronger company fundamentally with all the share offerings, and the CEO is connecting with retail investors like us. So that story is turning more from like a bankruptcy story where it was in January into more of like this is going to be a legit business that is going to recover. So now we're going to talk a little bit about Blackberry. So I know you guys probably aren't interested too much in the fundamentals, so I just give you a quick background on Blackberry, okay? For the last fiscal year, they did around $900 million in revenue, okay? They've got a lot of different things going on. They have a lot of deals with electric vehicles and things like that. So Blackberry doesn't really produce those old clunky smartphones that we remember of decades ago. Okay, they're more into software now. So this is a real business. They're generating just under $1 billion in revenue per year, and the market cap is around just under $9 billion with a price to sales ratio of 10. So the reason why they believe there's a bit of upside here is simply because this is another highly shorted company with decent cash on the balance sheet, not too much debt, and decent revenue. So I really don't know if, like I said, guys, I'm just sharing what I'm doing. I can't guarantee where Blackberry is going to go, but just taking a look at the volume, I think there is some upside here. So for me, this is a bit of a swing trade. And as you can see here, previously in January, Blackberry reached $25 a share. So it looks like it's going to fill this gap, but I'm not 100% sure. I just simply got on the train simply because the volume was up. It just looks like the company could be a little bit undervalued, and the fact that they're getting involved in the EV industry. You guys know how bullish I am on EV stocks. If you guys can follow my channel for any time, I'm bullish on stocks like Tesla, ChargePoint, Lucid Motors, ticker symbol CCIV. So I think Blackberry has a couple of things going for it. Obviously, you can benefit from the electric vehicle movement. They can benefit from the increased volume. And it's got a short interest on it, okay? So those are kind of my key catalysts why I bought the position yesterday. So I'll be holding on to it. And if you guys want to see real-time updates of whether I'm selling any shares or I'm buying more, be sure to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/investortrip to get all of my real-time updates, guys. So that's about it with Blackberry. Like I said, it looks like it's going to be the next AMC. If we reach this previous resistance level, if the volume continues to increase, I'll probably end up looking to sell half the position right as we approach this resistance if we go to $25. and then I'll probably just hold the rest of the position, or I'm not really sure. So I'll be sure to update you guys. But I think it's an interesting play, and according to Unusual Whales, it's getting a lot of interest in Reddit. So this could be the next AMC. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Smash the red subscribe button to see more updates from me. So that's until next time, guys. Take care.